Welcome to the exciting world of vehicles. Today I invite you to a wonderful trip through DAF history. In 1928, Hub van Doorne founded Hub van Doorne, Machinefabriek en Reparatieinrichting in Eindhoven in the legal form of a limited partnership, Commanditaire vennootschap. In the beginning, the company concentrated on welding and forging work for the Eindhoven inland shipping industry and Philips, as well as semi-trailer trucks. The global economic crisis of the 1930s forced the Van Doorne brothers, Hub van Doorne's younger brother Wim van Doorne was now also involved in the company, to look for new areas of business. Immerse yourself in the world of the DAF. Discover fascinating facts that deepen your understanding of the brand's history.